Keno. It's a good game if you want to really waste some time. We have a beautiful sports book and lounge. $1.99 margarita, $3 beers, $3 shots, premium shots. It seems like they only open this grill on the weekend or anytime there's a big game, because it is definitely not open on the weekdays that I can see. A hot dog is $4. That's not bad. Foot long is $7. Chicken tenders $9. Cheeseburger $8. Double cheeseburger $10. Prices are good if they were just open. Polka. There's always at least one person with sunglasses on in there. But he wasn't wearing a hoodie. I like it when you should wear a hoodie and the sunglasses.